Welcome to my channel. If you do not know the meaning of the words of a sentence, it will not be easy to identify the noun. With 4 hints, you are going to be more comfortable to distinguish the noun from the verb. Hint number 1. Noun carries tanween. Contrary to the verb, al-fi'l, the ism can carry the tanween. It means the noun can carry double fatha or double dhamma or double kasra, the last letter of the word. For example, غلام, غلام, and غلاما. Hint number 2. Noun carries the L. Contrary to the verb al-fi'l, the ism can carry L in the beginning of the word to transform the noun from indefinite noun to definite noun. Example, al-ghulamu, the young boy. al-hirru, hint number 3. Noun can carry ta marbota. Contrary to the verb al-fi'l, the ism can carry a ta marbota in the end of the word to indicate the feminine gender. Example, ladhidatun, delicious. Hint number 4. Noun can be preceded by a preposition. Contrary to the verb al-fi'l, the ism can be preceded by a preposition like ila, to. In this case, the noun carries kasra. Example, ذهب إلى السوق, he went to the market. Practice number 1. Identify the nouns in the following sentence. رجع الرجل الصالح من المسجد. The righteous man returned from the mosque. In this case, الرجل is a noun because it carries L. الصالح is a noun because it carries L. المسجد is a noun because it carries kasra after the preposition mina, and it carries L. Practice number 2. Identify the nouns in the following sentence. رأيت طائرا جميلا في القفص. I saw a beautiful bird in the cage. In this instance, طائرا is a noun because it carries tanween. جميلا is a noun because it carries tanween. القفص is a noun because it carries L. Okay, so now pause the video and see if you can identify the nouns in the following sentences and explain why. When you feel comfortable with your answer, the answer will be provided in the next slide. Alright, so here are the answers. رجع الرجل الصالح من المسجد. الرجل is a noun because it carries L. الصالح is a noun because it carries L also. Al-masjid is a noun because it carries kasra after the preposition mina, from, and it also carries L. The second answer, رأيت طائرا جميلا في القفص. طائرا is a noun because it carries tanween. جميلا is a noun because it carries tanween. القفص is a noun because it carries L. Alright, so now for our fun pop-up quiz, pause the video and translate the following sentences. The answers will be provided in the next slide. Alright, so here are the answers. Hope you got all of them right.